On the third day of Leanmas, the Lean Squad gave to me one amazing fat burner. We're just gonna smash 12 minutes of leanness. As you can see, I am in BC. We've got the beautiful mountains there. It's a sunny day. Bodies are about to be burning, and this is going to make me feel energized after my flight yesterday. So it was a long morning. Hudson, he's over there. He was up at 4:30, and now I'm gonna get some leantivity done before I've got some things to do this afternoon. So I'm really excited. We're just gonna get straight into it, super high pace. We're gonna warm up for about 2 minutes, all right? So just follow me. 3, 2, 1, jumping jacks. So again, we're just gonna keep changing the exercises as we warm up. Start nice and slow, nothing too crazy. Like I said, day 3 will be in the bank in no time. And we're gonna go lunges. As you can see, I got a nice red Santa mat. It's gonna make it extra lean this holiday season. So we're just lunging nice and controlled. Again, the idea is to start slowly lifting that heart rate and side lunge. And then a little shuffle, hopefully I stay in the camera. And I'm stretching out the groin there. So I'm extending over, stretching out there. And as you can see in this warm up, we keep the body moving so there's no static stretching. That way our muscles will be nice and long and warm and ready to fire out. We're gonna go hand walkouts, touch your toes, walk the hands out, in front, and back up. Stretch those hammies, out, in front, back up, and out. Whew. There we go. And now we're just going high knees. So this is for 30 seconds. Like I said, today is nice high tempo. We're gonna get the metabolism going. You can join in, buddy. Hudson's watching on the sidelines. He's getting excited. You can feel the lean levels going up. 15 more seconds now. This is where you want to pick it up. And again, if you need to stretch anything else, make sure you do so. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Whew. Grab some water. Give yourself a pat on the back. Hudson's hooting and hollering over there. You just got 2 minutes of leanness done. So today, 25 seconds on, 15 seconds rest. Like I said, oh man, my heart rate again already up. Is all about high tempo. We're gonna start with an exercise we did yesterday. So the double snap burpee, you're bringing the legs outside of your hands. Nice and quick, extend all the way back. 3, 2, 1. Here we go, day 3 officially started. I'm loving all the messages. Everyone is really smashing it, which is what it's all about this holiday season. Whew. 8 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Whew. Now we're going 1 push-up, 6 high knees. So it's like a burpee with high knees, all right? And on the push-up, remember, if you struggle with the push-up, just drop down to your knees. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you're down nice and tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's nice and quick. 6. 2, 3. Keep going. You can do 1 more rep. Whew. Wow, like I said, this is high tempo. Oh man, I know I'm gonna take a sweater off. 4 crossbody into a jump. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're up. Try and get those hands above head. 4, and you're up. 2, 3, 4. If jumping hurts, 2, just into a squat. 3, 4. Really twist. 1, 2, 3, 4. And up. Wow. Oh. Man. So hopefully you're breathing hard. That's a good sign. It means the leanness is coming. Oh. Fast shoulder taps. 2, 1. So I usually do these quick. We're going a little faster. Drive that planting arm. Oh man, it's getting hard to talk. Butt down. 10 seconds. 5, 3, keep going. 2, 1. Oh. We're going lunge jump, squat jump. A big deep breath. I think I said it before, my coach told me to try and stay up tall. It's a reinforcement to yourself that you can do it and you're not tired. So just lunge jump, squat jump. Now, if the jumping hurts, you just go lunge, lunge. Whoa. Hudson, what's that? Whoa. Squat. So that's the alternative. I'm back to jumping. Oh, Hudson wants us to do some abs. We can do a little finisher at the end. Okay. Okay. Extended plank. Rock forward. So I'm gonna drive the knees on the side. Ooh. You want me to use that? So I'm rocking back. We did this in the warm-up the other day. Keep your butt down and rock forward. Bring that knee up to the side. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Oh, all right. Now, as he's Hudson's doing his exercises too. We're going long-legged dead bug. 3, 2, 1. You want me to use it? Oh, is that all right? There you go. So we're going opposites. Go back. Hopefully you can see there. Not sure Hudson's gonna give us a demonstration. So opposites, nice and controlled. You should feel it in your core. 3, 2, 1. Hudson, oh man, I hate to do it to you guys, but it is a high tempo. We're going burpees. Burpees, Hudson, you ready? You ready? We're gonna go, whoa. It's a little icy up here. 2, 1, we're down. Now you can do it with the push-up or without. The key is nice and quick. Get excited. This is the last round of this set. 8, 3, 2, 1. Whew. Nice one, Hudson. High five. High five. We're going back. One more round here. Starting with a double stop burpee. Here we go. 2, 1. Extend the feet back. Bring them up close as you can.
Come on.
5, 2, 1. Wow. Oh. So I don't, if you feel it in your shoulders and you struggle with it, try and be elevated. I hope you keep moving fast. 1 push-up, 6 high knees. 3, 2, 1. I think that's just code for a fancy burpee. Come on. We can do one more. Whew. Wow. Hudson's just taking his rest. Keep pushing here. Only got 3 minutes to go. 2, 3, 4, and up. Nice and tall. 3, 4. 3, 4, and up. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, and up. It was a classic day. Didn't feel like doing it. As I was up literally at 4:30 a.m. Long travel day, but this will make me sleep way better, feel way better. 2, 1, fast shoulder taps. So you can widen your feet if you want to make it. If you feel your hips wiggling too much, butt down, belly button up towards the spine. 8 seconds. 5. We're nearly there, Hudson. 2, 1. Oh. Saved by mommy. It's slippery. Okay, we're going. Lunge jump. Lunge jump, squat jump. Sorry, lunge jump, squat jump. Here we go. Ooh. Ooh. Down. Whoa. Woo. Is that good? You gotta jump, Hudson.
Jump.
You keep going. Woo. Nearly done the day. Woo. Done. There we go. Nice one. High five. Okay, we got extended plank. Okay, you go do your exercise right there. Yeah. Careful. See, even Hudson knows it's good for him. 2, 1. We're going 20 seconds. Come on. Crunch to the knee. Strong in the core. 10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Oh man, we're downhill now. 2 exercises to go. Job done. Feeling amazing, promise. Woo. Long-legged dead bug. 2, 1. Opposites go back. Core is tight. Really reach. Try and keep everything straight. Should feel your core really burning here. Can't see time. We'll guess it. 2, 1. Oh, it was right on the money. My lean instincts. Whew. All right, last one, burpees. So, try and count out how many you get done. 25 seconds. Remember, you can do the push-up on your knees. 2, 1, down, and jump up nice and high. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, come on, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that is day 3 of Leanmas. Everyone should be super proud. 3 days in the bank. Don't underestimate that. 36 extra minutes of leantivity. And Hudson, you gonna say hello? Say hi, everyone. Way to go. Merry Leanmas. And let's keep smashing it until tomorrow. Woo, woo, woo.
Yay.
Good boy. Everyone say thank you to